In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shipping policy on Shopify. Having a clear shipping policy is essential for building trust with your customers and avoiding confusion about delivery times and costs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the settings in your Shopify admin, how to add your policy, and what kind of information you should consider including so it matches how you actually ship your products. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look toward the lower left corner and find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This opens a page with a menu on the left-hand side. In that left panel, scroll down until you see an option called Policies, then click on Policies to open it. Inside the Policies section, you'll see different types of policies that you can set up for your store. Look for the card labeled Written Policies. Under that heading, you'll find an option for your shipping policy. Click on Shipping Policy, and a pop-up window will open where you can edit or create the policy text. This is where you'll add all the details of your shipping policy. It's a good idea to cover a few key areas so customers know exactly what to expect. For example, you can include your order processing time, which explains how long it takes you to prepare and pack an order before it ships. You can also outline your shipping rates and delivery estimates so customers understand what they might pay and how long shipping usually takes. Include your estimated delivery times for different regions or shipping methods if they vary. You may also want to describe how shipping confirmation and order tracking work, like when customers receive tracking numbers and how they can follow their package. If you ship internationally, it helps to explain your approach to customs, duties, and taxes, and whether customers are responsible for these additional costs. Finally, it's important to mention what happens if a package is lost or damaged, and how customers should contact you in that situation. As you write, make sure your policy accurately matches your real-world setup. It should line up with your actual shipping rates, zones, carrier delivery times, and any local pickup or local delivery options you offer. Clear and honest information here can prevent disputes and support tickets later. The editor in this pop-up supports rich text, so you can format your policy to make it easier to read. You can use bold, italics, underlining, or headings to break content into sections like processing time or returns and exchanges related to shipping. Once you're happy with your shipping policy and you've double-checked that everything is correct and up to date, look at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click Publish. This will save your changes and make your shipping policy visible to customers on your store.